listen to the concerns and recommendations of our development partners. We are determined to go further. We will not tolerate measurement without action, nor will we tolerate the wastage of public funds. Walang perang sasayangin, hindi tayo papayag na lustayin ang kaban ng bayan.
Yun.
This forum also marks our readiness for the next step, our transition to upper middle income country status. This transition demands a kind of partnership built on stronger alignment, shared goals, and genuine national ownership. I count on DepDep, all government agencies as well, all stakeholders, to turn today's discussions into real change, real impact, real progress. Let me take this opportunity to thank our development partners. Your continued trust, expertise, and support help transform our vision into tangible outcomes. So while we conclude this forum with a joint declaration, we must remember, declarations by themselves do not create results. They do set the direction of what our collective actions will be. Together, let us continue shaping a strong, fair, and future-ready Bagong Pilipinas. So long as we work together, so long as our visions are aligned, we will succeed. Thank you very much. Mabuhay ang Bagong Pilipinas.
Galing, galing. Pinapalakpakan ng mga taga-ibang bansa, mga kababayan. Ganyan ang Pangulo. Diba? Ginagalang.
We'd like to ask Secretary Balisacan
Ang
to join
daming
the
humahanga
President
sa
on stage
Pangulo, no?
and take part in the photo.
Grabe. Panibagong ano na naman ito? Panibagong
May we call on the cabinet
achievement
officials,
na naman ng Pangulong
country
Bongbong Marcos,
directors,
no?
and members of the diplomatic corps to please proceed on stage.
Galing. Mga ano, no? Mga mag-iiyakan na naman ito yung mga kritiko ni BBM. Katulad nito, may umiiyak na naman mga kababayan sa live natin. Oh. Mas lalo pa kayong iiyak dito sa mga gagawin ni BBM. Mas lalo pa kayong iiyak dito sa mga gagawin pa ni BBM. Oh, mga ano, mga nagbubulag-bulagan, oh, para sa inyo 'to.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr.
Tingnan nyo kung gaano palakpakan. Galing, no? Tingnan nyo, oh. Mga foreign investor, mga taga-ibang bansa yan, mga kababayan, ano? Oh, ang dami niyan.
Thank you.
Kung gaano hangaan ang Pangulo natin, mga kababayan ko. Oh. Meron ba kayong Pangulo na ganon?
The distinguished members of the diplomatic corps.
Tanging si BBM lang ang nakagawa niyan.
The members of the cabinet who have joined us this morning. District Director of the World Bank Philippines, Mr. Xavier Mustafalu. Fellow workers in government, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. 3 years ago, we set a bold and ambitious course for our country through the Philippine Development Plan of 2023 to 2028. We committed to generate jobs, accelerate poverty reduction,
Nako,
and transform
hindi nila kaya si
our
BBM.
economy into one that is inclusive,
Talagang ano sila,
resilient,
down sila kay
and ready for
BBM.
the future.
Kahit anong
In the
pagpapabagsak
first
nila.
half of this administration,
Kahit
we
anong
laid the
paninira
groundwork.
nila sa Pangulo,
We implemented critical reform,
maraming Pilipino
delivered
ang
essential
namumulat na ngayon.
programs, and mobilized strategic investments.
Diba?
Now that we are at the
Yung mga
midpoint of
investor,
past
oh, magtitiwala ba sa
we
Pangulo
need to
yan?
check
Diba?
our course and make the necessary adjustments to meet the growing needs and
Kung hindi
expectations
ganyan
of
kagaling
our people.
ang ating
The
Pangulo,
forum's theme, bringing
ibig
together
sabihin,
progress for all,
napakagaling
services that
ng
matter,
Pangulo.
results that
Kaya
last.
pinagkakatiwalaan
Challenges us
ng
to
mga
reflect
foreign
on
investor.
what real progress